Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now in front of me I have Apple's new iPhone 13 Pro. This is their 2021 iPhone, and as you guys can see on the side I have my iPhone 12 mini, which is last year's Apple's iPhone. Now some of the features that the new iPhone has, as you guys can see here from the difference from the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 13, is the camera size. Now they have actually increased the camera size itself. Although this is the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 13, the camera size last year were the same, which is also true about this year in terms of the camera sizes of the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. One of the reasons of the size increase is to obviously allow more light to get into the camera, which actually improves low light photography, which is actually one aspect that Apple talked about a lot on their keynote, which unfortunately I was back home, so I was actually not able to stream for you guys. So Apple also introduced two new colors to their iPhone 13 Pro lineup, which is this graphite color and also a Sierra blue color, replacing the blue that they had last year. I honestly prefer the other two colors, which is either the silver or the gold colorway, and this one here would most probably be my third option. On the iPhone 13 Pro side, you can now get 1 terabyte of space, which will come handy for people that actually like shooting content with their phone, which also talking about content, now you can shoot ProRes video on your iPhone Pro, but you're only gonna be able to use that feature if you get the iPhone 13 that has over 256 gigs of storage. The iPhone 13 also comes with a brand new A15 Bionic chip, which brings improvement in the speed of the device, and together with the newly announced ProMotion 120 Hz on the iPhone, you will actually navigate your device pretty smooth and faster than we were able to do in the past. On the Android side, they've already been able to do this for a while, and it's refreshing to see that feature also come on the iPhone side. Now the ProMotion is adaptive, which means that it's going to range between 10 Hz to 120 Hz depending on what function you are actually using the phone for. Developers will also be able to activate the ProMotion feature on their app if they choose to do so. Physically, the iPhone 13 lineup of devices are actually a little bit heavier than their predecessors, and that's obviously because Apple has also improved on the battery of the iPhones. And from what has been reported from other creators is that you can now use your iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max all day long and still have around 50 to 20% battery left at the end of the day. Now I haven't been able to try the battery that much because I've only been with this phone for a couple of days. Now going back to the cameras, now the telephoto camera has a 77mm focal length and has a 3x optical zoom, and it also comes with an f2.8 aperture with a focus pixel and a 6-element lens with optical image stabilization. The ultra wide camera is a 13mm focal length camera with an aperture of 1.8 and a faster sensor with a focus pixel and a 6-element lens. Now the wide comes with a 26mm focal length with an f1.5 aperture and a 100% focus pixel with a 7-element lens and a sensor shift technology. Now the true depth camera has also been improved, which now allows you to do cinematic mode video recording, which I actually have a footage that I tried to use, which I'm gonna play at the end of this video. One other improvement on the lens that I actually am sure that most of you guys are gonna be using it, which is something actually that I have already tried, is the ability of the ultra wide camera to focus to up to 2 centimeters, which allows you to take macro photos as well as macro videos. Now I did manage to take a couple of macro photos, but we're going to do a macro video here together while I show it to you guys. So If you go to the camera, and you just go to video, and for now this is happening automatically, so there isn't a button for you to switch to macro photography. But what happens is, as soon as you get the camera lens close to an object, it actually switches to macro photography. Now let me actually put it to record. So all you have to do is get closer to an object, and it actually changes to macro mode. As you guys can see, there's actually a little dust particle there, and if I press the screen to zoom or to focus, it actually focuses on it, as you guys can see there.
That smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail.
Alright, so this is gonna be it for this video. I wanna know from you guys which of the feature that the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro line of iPhones is the one that you actually like the most. This is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you do just that. Also, give this video a like and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.
Know how to